especially if you are still in school, you've got your school uniform, you've got your short skirt, or maybe you wear a longer skirt. It's annoying that every time you walk, you're like, it's just not a good look. Lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline for Kalicious Loves. In today's video, I am going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving you a tip on how you can wear your tights during the winter months. Okay, I've got tights here. This is one that I got from River Island. It comes in 2 pairs, it's one size, and you know, it's winter, we're layering up and everything. And for me, sometimes I like to throw in short skirts, short dresses. But being realistic, winter, autumn, I can't really wear the dress like this. I've got this dress that I got from River Island. As you can see, it's legs. It's probably more summer vibes, but I just want to wear it because why not? So I am wearing tights. But then, the thing with tights, they just don't stay in place. When you've got tights, they usually roll down, and then you've got this thing that comes down, like so where the 2 legs meet, it then starts to come down, and especially as you wear it with wear and tear, it gets even worse. And I'm going to be showing you how to avoid that. I have been using this since I was in my uni days. Trust me, when I was in uni, I was always in a short skirt or a bum short and tights. For some reason, that was just what I was vibing to then, and I want to share this tip with you. So I'm going to wear these tights, right, and show you what I am talking about, and then tell you what you need to do so that does not happen. You wear these tights if you're wearing a short skirt, if you're wearing a dress during the winter months, if you're wearing a skirt during the colder months, or maybe you just haven't shaved your legs that day and you're like, oh shoot, I need to wear a skirt and I need to hide my hair on my legs, so what do? I wear tights. Okay, so let me wear these tights and then I'll show you what we're talking about. So these are the tights. They look small, but they're one size. Okay, so we're gonna put this on. So here we are. I'm wearing the tights. As you can see, this will at least give me some warmth if it's a chilly day and I just want to wear my short skirt or my short dress. Okay, but like I said, with a lot of movement, friction and everything, it's gonna start rolling down. I know women, the things we go through, it's gonna start rolling down. And because my dress or your skirt is too short, then you are going to see that middle bit that connects the 2 legs, and it's just not a good look, especially if you are still in school, you've got your school uniform, you've got your short skirt, or maybe you wear a longer skirt. It's annoying that every time you walk, it's just not a good look. So what have I been doing since I was in uni? This is something that I've been doing for the last 8 years. When I wear tights and I wear a short skirt, or I wear tights with any skirt, this happens. It doesn't matter if it's short, it doesn't matter if it's long, this is what I always do. Let me show you. This is my secret, guys. This is my secret. This is a tummy control seamless thong that I got from TK Maxx. I won't be able to link it below because you know how TK Maxx is. You find it and that's it. Like if you're lucky, you find it. It's just go and find what you can get, right? So I got this from TK Maxx. And I bought one before from Primark. I think that was ages ago. So if you go into Primark and find like a high-waisted tummy control thong, that would be great. If you have tights, like a skin tight that you wear, for me it helps me when I'm wearing a skirt or a dress without sheer tights, to avoid my thighs getting darker, so I wear longer tights. I can't show you here, but I will link some options below. But what you do is, you've got your underwear. Okay, let's just make things clear. You wear your underwear, yeah, okay? Then you wear your sheer tights, right? Then you will put this on top. because your sheer tights go all the way to your tummy. The tummy control thong will also go all the way to your tummy, meaning it holds the tights in place and they don't roll. You can wear your tights all day without even an ounce, not even 1 inch of trying to pull it up. Those days are gone, ladies. This is the new way of wearing tights. Why am I even saying new? I've been doing this for the last 8 years. If you don't have a tummy control and you have a cycling, that's what we call it back home, or a skin tight that's high-waisted, you can wear that as well, as long as it's not a short skirt, but because the tights will show, right? The cycling or the skin tight will show. But if you're wearing a short skirt, I would recommend wearing a tummy control underwear. If you are wearing a bodycon skirt, if you are wearing a bodycon dress, it is important that you buy a seamless tummy control underwear. Because if you wear a full-blown underwear, what happens is that that bodycon dress is gonna show the full-blown body control underwear, right? So if you are going to buy this, I would say stay clear of the full-blown tummy control underwear and buy the thong or seamless type. And this way, guys, we look elegant in our tights, we feel confident, because let me tell you the thing about style. You can go out looking all nice, but if these tights are rolling down and you have to pull them up every 2-3 minutes, trust me, you're gonna feel like shit. There's going to be something in the back of your head like, ah, these tights, they won't just let me shine what I'm wearing. No. So that's just my tip to you. I hope you find it really helpful. Don't forget to share with your other friends, especially if you know that you're always wearing dresses and skirts and you want to wear tights. Share with your friends, guys. It's not a good look to walk down the streets and see another woman every 2 minutes rolling up. Ah, come on, right? Okay, I'll see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to do so, like the video and share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.